The EasyPlex STD12 Real-Time PCR Kit is a real-time PCR in vitro diagnostic test intended for the qualitative detection of 12 types of sexually transmitted diseases. Panel 1 detects urea plasma, urea ridicum, chlamydia trachomatis, mycoplasma hominis, and trichomonas vaginalis. Panel 2 detects Candida albicans, herpes simplex virus 1, treponema pallidum, and urea plasma parvum. Panel 3 detects Gardnerella vaginalis, herpes simplex virus 2, mycoplasma genitalium, and Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Please make sure to read the instructions for use before using the kit. The EasyPlex STD12 Real-Time PCR Kit includes 3 RQ mixtures, Probe Plus Primer Panels 1 through 3, Positive Controls 1 through 3, and Negative Control. All kit materials should be stored at -20 degrees centigrade. Completely thaw reagents before use. Repeated thawing and freezing should be avoided with no more than 5 free thaw cycles. There are additional materials required to perform PCR tests. Real-time PCR instrument, nucleic acid extraction kit, microcentrifuge, vortex mixer, pipettes and tips, disposable gloves, PCR plate and sealing film, 1.5 milliliter microcentrifuge tubes and rack. Collect the vaginal swab and/or urine specimens. Collection of swabs in appropriate transport media can be used. Specimens should be stored at 2 to 8 degrees centigrade and processed within 48 hours from collection. If the specimens cannot be tested within 48 hours, samples should be stored frozen at -70 degrees centigrade or colder. The Kia AMP DNA Mini Kit should be used for nucleic acid extraction, following the protocol included in the Kia AMP Manual and Kit IFU. After extraction, DNA, if not used immediately, should be divided into amounts required for 1 to 2 tests and stored at -70 degrees centigrade, since RNA can degrade. Now let's take a look at how tests are performed using the EasyPlex STD12 Real-Time PCR Kit. The reagent required for a single reaction is 10 microliters for the RQ mixture and 6 microliters for probe plus primer of each panel. Please follow the steps for master mix solution preparation. 1. Prepare 3 1.5 microliters microtubes for panel 1, 2, and 3 mixtures. 2. Tubes should be vortexed and spun down by using a microcentrifuge. 3. Dispense calculated volumes of RQ mixture and probe primer for each panel. 4. Master mix solution should be vortexed and spun down. 5. Pipette 16 microliters of PCR master mix solution into each 96 well PCR plate as shown in the plate map. 6. Add 4 microliters of extracted DNA specimen into each 96-well PCR plate. Also, add 4 microliters of each of the positive controls and negative control into each 96-well PCR plate. Seal the top of the 96-well PCR plate thoroughly to prevent the liquid from spilling or leaking. Centrifuge the 96-well PCR plate to make sure that all liquids are placed at the bottom. In this video, the BioRed CFX96DX real-time PCR instrument is used. Please follow the PCR setup instructions. Place the dispensed PCR plate into the instrument. Run the BioRed CFX96DX software. Be sure to create the appropriate protocol and plate files before proceeding. Open the EasyPlex STD12 real-time PCR kit protocol file. Check the PCR conditions and sample volume. Open the STD12 real-time PCR kit plate file. Check the fluorofluor settings. FAM, Hex, Texas Red, Sci5, Quasar 705, and plate type BR White. Check the thermal cycler to ensure it is the right model number. Save the data file as STD12 real-time PCR kit. Run the BioRed CFX96DX software. Open the data file. The threshold should be adjusted since each instrument has different fluorescent values. Modify FAM value to 500. Modify Hex value to 500. Modify Texas Red value to 500. Modify Sci5 value to 200. Modify Quasar 705 value to 100. Click all the fluorescent values and set Apply Fluorescent Drift Correction. Click Export All Data Sheets. Excel 2007. It must be Excel 2007. Specify a folder to save the file you want. Gene Tree Viewer Analyst software to be consistent with labeling. Run the Gene Tree Viewer software. Open the quantitation amplification results via Gene Tree Viewer in the Excel files exported from CFX96DX. Click Please Select a Kit menu at the top of the screen and select the appropriate test item. EasyPlex STD12 Real-Time PCR Kit. CT and fluorescent values of the results for each well are plotted on a graph. CT values of the results for each well are indicated numerically and qualitative results are printed. Positive, negative results by well are indicated by plus, minus, respectively. Invalid, inconclusive results by well are indicated by I, question mark, respectively. Analysis results are converted into an Excel spreadsheet. You can check the results more conveniently through the saved Excel file. The results of each sample can be easily checked as qualitative values. Thank you for watching this training video. For technical inquiries on EasyPlex STD12 Real-Time PCR Kit, please feel free to contact us at technicalsupport@smlgenetree.com.